Hey everyone, welcome back. Big things are happening at Tesla Gigafactory Berlin. The application for the next expansion of Tesla factory in Gruenheide arrived yesterday at the Brandenburg State Environmental Protection Agency. 1 million cars will be produced at Giga Berlin, but more water is needed. Welcome back everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. So there is fresh news from Giga Berlin. The next expansion of the Tesla factory in Gruenheide, Germany is one of the most anticipated developments in the automotive industry these days. Tesla's application for the expansion of Gigafactory Berlin has been awaited by many, and it finally arrived yesterday at the Brandenburg State Environmental Protection Agency. The proposed expansion this expansion by Tesla, that proposal by Tesla, aims to build new facilities for battery cells, power electronics, and electric motors with an investment of approximately 2.5 billion euros. This expansion is set to create 5,000 new jobs and increase the production capacity of the factory from 500,000 to 1 million electric Tesla vehicles per year. This announcement comes as the current factory in Gruenheide is still under construction, with production of the Tesla Model Y scheduled to further increase. Tesla has already faced several setbacks due to regulatory issues at Giga Berlin and protests by environmental groups, but it has persevered and continued to work towards its goal of establishing a strong foothold in Europe, in Germany, near Berlin. The new application for expansion will now be reviewed by the Brandenburg State Environmental Protection Agency, which will assess the environmental impact of the project. This assessment will likely take several weeks or months, we don't know, as it involves a thorough analysis of the potential effects of the Giga Berlin expansion on surrounding ecosystem. One of the primary concerns regarding the expansion of the factory is its potential impact on the water supply. The factory is located in a forested area that is rich in wildlife and biodiversity, and there are concerns that the factory's water usage may have a detrimental effect on the local ecosystem. However, Tesla has stated that it will not require any additional water supply for the expansion. This claim has been met with skepticism by some environmental groups who argue that the expansion of the factory will inevitably lead to increased water usage, because if you're going to double the production, how can this be possible without further water usage? Despite this concern, the expansion of Tesla factory in Gruenheide has been widely welcomed by local and national authorities who recognize the economic benefits that it will bring to the region. The Tesla Giga Berlin factory is expected to create thousands of new jobs and stimulate the local economy, which has suffered the recent years due to the decline of some traditional industries. Moreover, Tesla's commitment to renewable energy and sustainable production methods has been praised by environmentalists who recognize the company's efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and promote clean energy. Tesla has set ambitious goals for itself in this regard, and it is widely regarded as a leader in the push towards a more sustainable future. So the application for the next expansion of Tesla electric vehicle factory in Gruenheide is a significant development in the automotive industry. Besides other things that are going on with Tesla, it represents a major investment in the region, and it has a potential to create 5,000 new jobs and stimulate economic growth at Giga Berlin area. However, it is also important that the environmental impact of the project is thoroughly assessed and managed to ensure that it doesn't have a detrimental effect on the surrounding ecosystem. With proper planning and management, the expansion of Tesla Giga Berlin factory in Gruenheide could be a model for sustainable industrial development in the 21st century, just like Tesla is trying to do that with Gigafactory Texas, and now hopefully with Gigafactory Mexico. And I think Shanghai is also doing really well. Now, furthermore, the expansion of Tesla factory in Gruenheide, like I said, is an important milestone for the electric vehicle industry in overall Europe. Tesla has already is a dominant player in the electric vehicle market in the United States, but it has faced significant challenges in Europe due to a lack of infrastructure of charging and some government support in some places. The expansion of the factory in Gruenheide will enable Tesla to significantly increase its production capacity and better serve the growing demand for electric vehicles in the European continent, and hopefully also export from Europe to elsewhere. The German government has been supportive of Tesla's expansion plans, recognizing the potential economic benefits that Giga Berlin and Tesla will bring to the region. The government of Brandenburg has also recognized the need to transition to a low carbon economy, and it sees Tesla as an important partner in this effort. This has been also echoed by the German federal government. Tesla has been a pioneer in the electric vehicle industry, and it has pushed the boundaries of what is possible in terms of electric vehicle range, electric vehicle performance, and electric vehicle affordabilities. However, it has also faced criticism for its business practices and its treatment of workers in the past. You probably have read about that in media. Tesla has responded to these criticisms by committing to fair labor practices and sustainable production methods. It has also pledged to invest in local communities and support the transition to renewable energy. Now, this expansion of Tesla factory in Gruenheide, Giga Berlin, is a testament to the company's commitment to sustainable growth and its vision for a better future. I mean, when was the last time you had breathed clean air in a large city? It represents a significant investment in the region and a major milestone in the transition to a low-carbon economy. Moreover, it is a clear signal that the electric vehicle industry is here to stay with such a big investment and will continue to grow in coming years. With proper management and regulation, to expansion of the Tesla factory in Giga Berlin could be a model for sustainable industrial development and a key driver of economic growth in the region. Now, I just said that, I believe, did I say 2.5 billion investment for the Giga Berlin expansion? 2.5 billion euro investment, not dollar investment, although they're almost the same. But imagine, recently Tesla also announced that it's investing $3.6 billion in the Nevada to expand the Nevada factory for the production, to get it ready for the production of the Tesla Semi. And add to that all the good news that we're hearing about the new Gigafactory in Mexico, in Santa Catarina, in Nuevo Leon region. And as Torque News Tesla reporter Jeremy Johnson yesterday covered, Tesla plans to expand and build new gigafactories, about which we will hear soon. Check that out visit us please at torquenews.com/Tesla, or you will see it probably on the homepage, our Tesla and electric vehicle and car coverage in general. Anyway, let me know if you're excited about Tesla's putting $2.5 billion here to expand Giga Berlin. It's like building a second gigafactory, or putting $3.6 billion to expand Nevada factory. It's like building another gigafactory there. So you can think of this as like two new gigafactories in addition to what we have already heard so far. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Thanks for watching. Give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Share your comments and your thoughts in the comment section below. And subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. Will be, God willing, later today. Have a great day and God bless you. See you soon in our next report.